Every time I tweet something out about this specific topic that we're going to talk about in today's video, all of you choose to ignore it, and it makes me lose my mind. This topic is real money. This topic isn't some BS platitude or some dude with his hands in the pocket leaning over a $2,500 a month penthouse in Miami. I'm talking about something that is tangible, something that my favorite business owners, in fact, every successful business owner is utilizing, and it's systems. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the importance of systems and how you can integrate them into your business. This is a rant. This is like a 5-minute rant, a new series I want to try on my Twitter account. If you guys enjoy it, just let me know. So, the topic today is visualizing systems. I'd say every single person here is about 5 systems away from reaching their next monetary goal. And it's something when I preach over a phone call, people get it. There's a neuron connection, something clicks. But it doesn't seem like I'm getting the message through via my written content. So let's see what we can do today. If I was building a house today, and I'm not talking about, oh, the boring, you need your foundations, all that BS crap. I'm talking about, I'm building a house or a building right now. There are 4 pillars that hold the building up on that specific layer, and you want to add a new floor and a new floor. To add those new floors, you need new systems. Imagine every new floor that you add is some sort of new monetary goal. If you're doing 10K on a monthly basis, the next floor is another 10K, the next floor is another 10K. For me, every new floor that we're adding is another $50,000 on a monthly basis. And we're usually about 5 to 10 systems away from reaching that goal. All the pillars that you see over there are the systems that you create in your business to help you set yourself up and manage the current winners and the current recurring tasks that you have in order to manage that specific monetary range. I know people who hit 100K in a month and then drop down to $20,000, $30,000 in the next month. Why is that? It's because the current systems that they have right now are not structured properly. They are breaking, they are flimsy, and they're falling apart. Your objective is simple. It's either to manage your current systems and strengthen them by reinforcing them, or innovating and adding new systems. The innovation is adding a new layer onto your building that you're creating. But in order to innovate without things falling apart, you have to make sure the current layer of the building that you created is structurally sound, aka the systems you have are strong. The thing about systems is, yes, you know something might work, you test it, it starts working. So you decide, let me systemize it, let me put it in step-by-step manner, let me create an SOP for this, and then you set it and forget. The thing about systems, it is not set and forget. You have to constantly be improving these individual systems. It will take about 4 or 5 weeks to get the system to about 80 to 90% of its truest potential. Then you have to always upgrade those systems as well too. So the beauty about these systems is if you are creating 5, 10, 15 systems to make sure that no matter what, you cannot be knocked down from your current revenue number or monetary number, then you have to go in and look at every detail on a weekly basis of what you can do to strengthen that specific floor of yours. That's managing systems. Next up is innovation systems. This is, okay, I want to go and test something new now. You, the owner, you, the CEO, you, the CMO, you have to go out of your way, test something, see if it's working, and then you can come back in and systemize it with your COO or yourself as well too. This is where you come in and you start creating brand new systems that won't be perfect. I promise you this. For the next 5 weeks, it will break, it will be terrible, and it will fall apart. But you're reinforcing it before you can go to the next level. All you're trying to do is manage your current systems and test new systems while managing those after they work as well too. Reinforce, move to next layer, reinforce, move to next layer. I kind of look at it like the Krabby Patty formula from SpongeBob. When SpongeBob is going and creating a Krabby Patty, Squidward dings the bell and he's like, SpongeBob, I need a new Krabby Patty, all that BS. He goes in and takes the order. How does he do it? He gets the buns, he gets the lettuce, cuts the lettuce up, puts the patty on the stove, cooks it. Anyone can create this system. It's a step process to reach a specific outcome. But the sauce, the Krabby Patty formula, is the SOP. The SOP is what's unique to your specific system. So the way that he cooks it to a specific temperature is an SOP. The formula of the actual patty is the SOP. The way that they present it is a part of the SOP. The system is the steps it takes to reach the outcome. The sauce is the outcome. Remember this, guys. I'm not trying to teach you guys something tactical here. It's a little bit of a like broader and a higher overview topic, but systems are important. Stop fucking ignoring them.